Hello and welcome to Mathematical Literacy. I am Brainstorm Betty, and in this video we will discuss rates. Rates are a comparison between two or more values of a different kind, i.e. different units of measurement. This is expressed as value per unit, and we write this as the value per unit as such. We often see this as kilometers per hour. We often see this as liters per kilometer, or the other way around, kilometers per liter. Various ways that we can do this. These are just some examples. It is always the value per unit, and we try and make the second one be a single unit. Let's look at a few examples. A truck driver filled her truck with 182 liters of petrol. She drove a total of 793 kilometers before she needed to refill. Express the rate of fuel usage in liters per kilometer. Now, firstly, this part of the question is telling us what it wants. It wants liter per kilometer. And this is telling you in which order to do this. Now, as we know in mathematics, the slash sign also means division. So we need to take the liters and divide them by the kilometers. So we have 182 liters and we have 793 kilometers. So we take the 182 liters, we divide that by the 793 kilometers, and we get our answer as 0.2295081967 liters per kilometer. That is a bit ridiculous though, so we will be rounding off, and we round off at 2 decimal places. We will be rounding off here, so we will be looking at this value. 9 does influence rounding, and therefore we have 0.23 liters per kilometer. Question 2. Susan is a competitive swimmer. She swam 1 kilometer in 18 minutes and 40 seconds. Express her speed in meters per second. Now here it's already given as the ratio, and so we already know meters divided by seconds. Here's the thing. We were given kilometers, so we need to convert that 1 kilometer into meters. A kilometer is 1,000 meters, so we multiply by 1,000, and we get 1,000 meters. 18 minutes and 40 seconds. So we will need to take the 18, multiply that by 60, and then add the 40 seconds, and we get a total of 1,120 seconds. And now we can do our calculation. We have 1,000 kilometers divided by 1,120 seconds, and our answer is, on the calculator, it will be 0.892857149. So if we write down just enough to do our rounding, 0.892 meters per second, we can round off at our second decimal place, which means we will need to consider that one. 2 does not influence rounding, and so therefore 0.89 meters per second. Number 3. A water tank has a tank that fills a 5-liter bucket every 7 hours. Express the rate of the leak in milliliters per minute. So let's see our information. 5 liters, 7 hours. We want milliliters per minute. So 5 liters to milliliters is 5,000 milliliters. 7 hours to minutes, so we multiply that by 60, is 420 minutes. So now we have 5,000 milliliters divided by 420 minutes. We get on our calculator 11,9047619. We are just going to write down what we need to do our rounding. 11,904 milliliters per minute. This is where we are rounding off. This is what we are considering. 4 does not influence rounding. And so therefore, we can just say 11,9 milliliters per minute, because that would be a 0. And after a decimal, the 0 doesn't matter. And this was not a round off at a certain decimal space question. Question 4. Over the course of 10 years, a country's population has grown by 4,125,000. Express this as a yearly rate. So we were given the increase in people, or the people increased, and the years in which that took place. This is a simple one. This would be people per year. 4,125 people divided by 10 years gives us a rate of 412,500 people per year. If you have any further questions, please pop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.